All right, in the last video, I said that one of the if there's fairly common problems that you have, someone probably wrote a library or a package to help with that. And one of the fairly common problems you'll run into is you might want data to stick around on your page when it reloads. To demonstrate how this can be a problem, I've got this variable here called I, and I'm incrementing it when the page loads. And so if the page loads, I'm going to display 1. What I would like is I'd actually like this to show the number of times I've visited the page. So every time the page reloads, I should get a higher number. So if I reload the page, well, I'm back at 1. And if I reload the page, I'm back at 1. And why is that? Well, because right here I'm always telling it to start at 1. And when I reload the page, this variable gets reset. It's a global variable, but it gets reset. And it'd be nice if we could get our information to stick around. Well, there are two ways to do that. There's local storage and there's session storage. And you can actually see those if you come into the inspect tool and you go to application and then you go into local storage and you click on whatever page you're on. In this case, I'm on http://127.0.0.1. In other words, I'm using live server. You can see that it stores it as keys and values. So this works exactly like you would expect a dictionary to work, where you have a key and you can look up its value. Here, you can use local storage and look up its key and its value. And the same is true for session storage. In fact, you can see live server is actually storing information here. It's storing the key of is this first time _log_from _live server, and the value is true. And in the next video, I'll show you how to access these. Right now, I'm going to tell you there's one caveat. Local storage and session storage always store things as strings. So if you want to access them in any other way, you have to work around that little rule. And we'll talk about that in the next video.